Hello, Polly's Best for UK here, and welcome to another Game of Day video. So this is a modified version of Manic Miner. Sorry. This is called Manic Miner Neighbours, Allana Truman. So I'm guessing that's who you play or something. I'm not sure. Andrew Broad. And this was released in 2004, I believe. So there's a nice digitised picture there actually to start us off. Looks quite good for a Spectrum, doesn't it? So let's have a look at this. So written by Andrew Broadsoft 2004. Based on Manic Miner by Matthew Smith in Bug Bite 1983. And plot lines from Neighbours, Grundy Television, etc. etc. So I used to watch Neighbours. So a nice little rendition. So yeah, there we go, Manic Miner Neighbours. So let's start the game. Well, okay, so we start off at 30 Ramsey Street. Now, if you recognise Manic Miner, yeah, this isn't the Neighbours edition that someone's created. How do we go forward? Oh, then platforms disappear, so I'll be careful of that. Right. What the fuck? Oh, come on. Oh, you fuck. Right, okay, I'm not sure how you get past this first bit. I presume you have to jump from these blocks that disappear, but do it quick enough so you've got enough time. And maybe you have to go right at the edge of the box. Oh, but the trouble is it disappears. Oh, you fuck. The boot still comes. Every time you like sort of get game over, you have to wait for this tune to finish. You can't skip it. Oh, you can. Oh, you can, sorry. My mistake. So, I can't work out how to get off the first screen. Maybe I have to jump over her when she comes out. Oh, you fuck, you can't jump over because the wall's in the way. Oh, we got somewhere. Oh, okay, I thought we got somewhere. Oh, you fuck. So how the heck do you get past this first screen? Oh, you boona. Right, I'm going to try and go in. I'm going to try and go where that woman goes. I'm going to try and go in there once she's gone out. So I'm going to follow her in. Got to have to time this right. So go, 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 go. Oh, you fuck. Well, I'll try that again, but this time a bit closer. Oh no, not that close. Right. Oh, seriously. Okay, there must be a way out of this screen. So I did manage to get on that other one, didn't I? Oh, I thought I was going to make it then. Shall we try with this one instead? It's hard to get the jumps right. Oh, you fuck. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be doing very good on this, to be honest. Right, try that again. I did get... Oh, fucking, I have to right at the edge. Okay, we're up here. Oh, fuck off. Right. Okay, I think I just jumped right into that thing. So what I'm going to try and do that again. So let's go for a run and jump. Jumping is really difficult. Ah! No, that's cool. I don't know what you have to do. But that's how it goes sometimes with Game of Day. At least you get to see what the game looks like. So that's Neighbours edition of Manic in 2004. I'll give that a nice 8 out of 10. I do like the artwork on it as well, on this screen and that digitised picture earlier. So thank you for watching. Bye!